Hi, I'm Rodney R, and I'm a longtime student of Diana's. It's been years though, but we're also longtime friends as well. I consider Diana like probably the best vocal coach that I've ever worked with. And the thing about a coach is that they work with you. They work to grow you, but they also fix things that you wouldn't know yourself. Now, we all pick up bad habits from other people just by listening by osmosis and so forth. And when I came back to Diana, was able to correct things that I had actually osmosisly picked up, if anything. And then it's funny now. It's like when I can sing with Diana's coaching, I feel free, and my neck doesn't feel hurting at all. And we've done like almost 8 hours today, and so forth. So that's a testament to her coaching and to her knowledge and to her spirituality. And she teaches a full science and holistic approach to singing that nobody has out there as well. So I highly recommend you go with her and take her as a coach, because she can identify things, and she's got the ears. Nobody else. She's got the best ears in the business, and she's got the way and the know-how to figure things out of how to correct your way of singing, so that way you can sing for a week or even a month or for years and never destroy your voice. So she's the real deal. Go for it.